guys! We're in Vietnam! Nom 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 nom! Hey guys! Nasa airport na kami! This is so legit! What if? This is ate, this is kuya. Ay, ba't ganyan yung hair mo? Charan! This is my bag. Meron pa akong backpack. Wala akong jacket kasi hindi ako... Guys, boarding time po tayo. Pwede kaya ito sa loob? Pati yung food? Pati yung food pwede? Wow, that's so great. Let's daan here. Hey guys, we're in Vietnam now. We're in Ho Chi Minh and we're in a Grab. Ate, say hi. Ate, say hi. Like, hi. Kuya is in front. So, actually sabi ko, what if mag-fake accent tayo? Try ko like in the future. So, we're going to the hotel. Ang ganda ng angle, oh. Kung nakaano lang eh. 'Di ba? Sobrang lungkot. Look at my nails. Show your nails.
Kamukha pa yung mga helmet eh.
Hey guys, we're with the nice persons. Sa hotel na kami. Ang galing niya mag-explain, grabe. Hello everyone, we're staying here. It's so cute. And then, this is the street. It's so cute, right? It's so cute. Tapos ito yung maganda.
Di ba namin napansin yun, no? Hindi nila napapansin siguro.
Bumabagal na yung ikot. Nahulog mo kasi.
Ako? Oo.
Hey, don't speak like that. Like, where are you? Hello. So, you're on a freaking, nakadikit ka sa ano? Bakal. Fit check. Ano? Anong game? I don't know. Wait lang. Fit check.
With my legend.
Hello! So, ayan, fit check tayo, guys. Let us fit check. Hindi ko sure kung kita, Kasi ano yan, eh.
Titiktok na ako habang nakapansin.
Ano ba yan? Mag-fit check nga.
Ayun na nga eh.
Si kuya din. Kasi ano siya. Pakita mo yung fit mo. Anyway, bigay ni Kuya Chard. Bag. Tapos si ate nagti-tiktok sa gilid. Anyway, ang ganda naman ng ano namin. Tsaka mabait yung girl na nag-accommodate sa amin. Tapos she's very kind. I hope she stays the same. God bless her heart. And we're so blessed to have this trip right now. Ayan, yapping na naman siya. Anyways, we're very hungry. We're all very hungry. At dahil may Beyond the Vine si ate, meron kaming sticker, meron nadagdagan si Dobby. Anyway, cute ba yung fit ko? Paano nyo malalaman? Look, I changed my earring. Then I have this necklace. Pati yung cross ko. And look at my nails. Anyway, we're gonna eat like near lang. Comment down below kung okay ba yung fit ko, guys. Kasi pinag-isipan ko kung magpapalit ako. And feeling ko din, mga 2 to 3 times ko gagamitin tong pants. Kasi, 3 rin sa outfit ko, yellow yung shirt, yung top ko. So, pero maghahanap pa ako ng jorts. Sana may mahanap akong jorts. Tas I think we're gonna buy shoes. Kasi hindi bagay yung shoes namin. I'm thinking of getting a Converse or a Solomon. Anyway, bye. See you later. See you later. We're gonna eat now. I will show you later. Nakalimutan ko yung stand. Do you hate me? He freaking hates me, bro. Lahat na binagsak niya. Anyway, bye. We're gonna go now. See, bye-bye na. Kuya, magbabay ka na kasi sa'yo na tayo. May mga performative dun sa likod. Charot. Bye.
May bago eh. Ganun makakaw.
Pwede dito ko sa kabila kasi ito angle ko. Hindi. Kasi, ano, ito yung street. Look, it's a flower. It's a flower. Look, a strawberry. Alam mo yan?
Wow.
Ganito dapat mag-vlog. Nakita ko si Lexi, oh, ganyan ka-wide. Sabi ko, di ko kaya laki ng face ko. Kasi ang haba pa ng arms ko. Imagine, nakikita mo ako mag-vlog. Pakita mo paano ako mag-vlog. Ganyan, no? Ako. Sa extent. O, di ba sa'yo, okay
Siyempre,
lang?
mga agaw pa. So, nandito kami sa may District 1.
Wait,
Pero-
alam mo, mas gusto ko yung mic ng phone.
I don't know
Kasi
saan kami
rinig.
kakain.
Sa DJI, kailangan.
Kasi
tayo,
yung
let's-
ano,
Last tayo.
we don't have itinerary for today. So,
Oo.
kung saan man kami dalhin,
Sayang oras. Charot.
yes, go.
Magsasayang lang kami ng
Dun,
oras.
dun. Hindi,
Doon.
doon.
Faster, faster!
Okay, ito na to.
Oh my gosh! Okay lang.
Wag kang ano. Tama. Tama.
Look, it's the post... Ano? Tawag dyan? Ang tawag dyan, best?
Central Coast.
Central office. Oh my god, they just run there just to cross the street. Did they really? So we're gonna cross there and then we're gonna walk to the restaurants and we're gonna eat somewhere along those. We're very near all the places we... Hindi ako rinig! So yeah, we're very near all the places that we plan on going to, but we're not going there yet. And we're gonna eat first because we haven't eaten dinner and any proper what? Oh my gosh, we found the ATM. We're gonna withdraw. Anyway, we haven't eaten a proper lunch yet and we're gonna eat some dinner. So we're gonna withdraw because this is the freaking bank. Okay, Ata's gonna withdraw and we'll wait for her here outside. 5 eh. Postura ko after magutom. Postura namin after magutom. What the fuck? Dapat maganon tayo kada ano, te. Te. 1, 2. Kuya, sabihin mo. Ay, naka-mic ako. Wait lang. 1, 2, 3, go. What the fuck? Wala kang sound. Hello, guys. We ate here. Wait lang. Picturean ko. Ate, panoorin mo yung cam ko. Pipicturean ko lang kinainan natin.
Doon sa mga peke lang.
The food was buzzing.
Benton Market.
Mga peke.
Pero we didn't beasted.
So, sabi mo Benton Market.
Kinda beasted only. Note, did you beast it? Beasted. Sabihin mo sa cam.
Market?
So, by the way, we didn't have any internet for the day. So, I was downloading a translator to ask where we could buy a pocket Wi-Fi because we bought a SIM at the airport, but we couldn't use it because all our phones were smart locked. We didn't know we were supposed to buy a pocket Wi-Fi from home, and there weren't any available in Ho Chi Minh, or at least in the area we were in. So we were asking directions where the Bentan market was to possibly purchase a pocket Wi-Fi, but we didn't. And found out the next day that the SIM worked on one of our phones. So that's how we got internet for the rest of the trip. And after a few minutes walking, we ended up at the new playground.
Guys, nabudol ako ni ate, guys. Maniwala. Please believe me. I got tricked. Really. Got tricked. I bought something. Pero like, so good. Wait, actually. You'll find shit talaga. Let me show you in a bit. Like, ang angas ko, ate. Ang angas ko. Look at it.
Legitimate wife.
Legit was. Like, I'm so cool, bruh. Gastos check. Look at my nails. Again, my nails is my personality in this trip. The bad nails on Instagram and everywhere in between. Char. Ito yung akin. Ito kay ate. Ito kay kuya. Same amount ng gastos. No? Actually.
Hindi naman tayo nabudol sa ano,
Tig-isa
no?
niya.
Look at how nice! I'm actually collecting postcards, guys. So I'm gonna get. Whoa! Look how nice! Say hi! So cute! Magnet. You wanna buy magnet here na lang? Kasi mas cute. I'm gonna get, grabe yung tali ko. I'm gonna get a postcard and then whatever. Bye. Okay. Hello everyone. Sana hindi rinig yung music but we're here at a cafe. And ang sarap. It's called White Coffee. We ordered their white coffee kasi ate asked kung ano yung closest sa Swada. So sabi nila, nag-suggest siya, white coffee is good. Eh di white coffee in order namin. So, nag-update lang ako. Kasi we're gonna ikot na rin later. Saan tayo punta next, ate?
Fito Museum. It's a...
Where?
Fito Museum. Tawag dito? Traditional medicine of mga Vietnam. So, makikita natin dun na ano. Ito, oh.
Parang ang Swada actually. So good.
Ay na, Museum of Traditional Vietnamese Medicine. Dahil si Amber ay feeling doktor.
Gusto namin pumunta ng District 2, pero baka pwede naman naming singit bukas yun kasi tinatapos na namin lahat ng ano ngayon.
Yeah.
So if
So,
ever,
dapat today tayo mag-shopping
everything,
talaga.
oo.
Yeah.
Bukas na lang,
Because tomorrow is our last day of leisure.
oo.
Dahil
Sige,
maaga
ikot tayo sa 2. Mga dami raw
Kasi
maganda.
sa 4, sa 27, 4th day, madaling araw tayo aalis. Sobrang
So, ayun. Anyway, bye-bye. See you later. So nice. Ako, take my picture with it.
Wait lang. Siya kita dyan?
Na video.
Go.
Okay. Photo now, photo. Hello. We're here outside and we're gonna eat some banh mi outside because parang trip namin. Trip ko. And eto, dito kami outside. So, ayun. We ordered beef banh mi bo, and then espresso swada, ice. It's very, I'll show you the menu. Ito, very affordable. Very affordable compared to us sa amin. Asa yung drink? Tapos, ito yung drink. Ayan. Ice. Say hi.
Hi!
Masarap.
Wala pa, hindi ko pa titikman. Pipicturean ko eh.
It's so real. Medium spicy. 1. Thank you. Oh, it's called Kate Bread and Coffee. Sino si Kate? Yun lang, guys.
Kung ilan na natin?
I'll call you back later.
Ano yung gano'n natin?
And call ko na Max. Guys, ito na yung food. It's bussin'. Is it bussin'?
Boston.
Bussin'. Ito yung beef. Tapos may strawberry soda si Kuya. Tsaka banh mi chicken. Munch. Hello guys. So right now you're standing on a railing. And we're here at the Cheese Cafe. Ang ganda ng angle. Papakita ko sa'yo later. Dapat ikaw yung katabi ko eh. At nasa harap ko ngayon si ate kasi di na niya ako mahal. Charot. Hindi ako sa Cheese Cafe. Ang ganda dito actually. I'm gonna show you. Pero ayun nga. Pumasok kami kasi gusto ko lang itry ng... Wait. Ayun, kuha siya ng water. Lagyan mo na ng ice. Oras na ba?
The coffee is here! Ito yung kay Kuya. What's this? I can't understand. Anyway, ito yung akin. May cheese daw yan. So, sure. Is it this one? Ay, ito nga. Marble. Yay! Look at my Miffy. So cute, right? Anyway, we're gonna try this drink and then we're gonna go. Saan tayo pupunta tayo? Saan tayo punta? Next, dun sa shopping. Sa phone na lang ako siguro magpa-vlog dun kasi mahirap ilabas tong cam, baka manakaw, diba? Bye! See you later! Sa shopping. Untog ako dito guys, so mind your head. Hindi ko na mind yung head ko nung pumasok ako dito. Nauntog ako dito. Yan. There's a mall there. Ayo, mga poster.
Sige, mamaya. So like, we took some photos, but we didn't really buy anything because almost all of it is expensive, you know. But we're trying to look for postcards and some more pasalubong for our family. Also, I really wanted a book, but they didn't have one that I liked that was thinner, because it was only $450, which I can afford. But the thicker ones with the design I like is $950, and the other ones are also 900, $950, and $1 million long. So I couldn't get those because it's out of my budget, and I'm still planning to buy rings. So yeah, we're done here at Book Street. Now we're going to where are we going, bro? I'm not sure. It's either we're going to the cafe apartment or we're heading to the church. But whichever, whatever. If we're going to the church, we're going to eat there at cafe or something far again. And then after that we're heading to I forgot the name. I don't think it's Deerity. It's like I'm gonna search for it. Deeritage, that's the name. And then Deeritage. And then there's like some more coffee there. Cafe Nam, I think, or another one. But there's a cafe Nam close here, so we'll probably just go to that. Or Nam Cafe, I think it's Nam Cafe. Yeah, that one. And then we're going to look for places in District 2, but I think it's just more on shopping, which we can't do anymore because we don't have money. But you know, enough yapping. We're gonna take some more photos, just me and Ate. And then we're going to either the cafe apartment or the church or somewhere else. I'm gonna tell you what we decide, but for now we're going to take some more photos. Okay, bye! Say hi to my vlog. Anyway, bye-bye. Wow! It's a bird! It's a plane! It's a tank and an airplane chart. So hot here. So hot here. So cool. Everything's so cool. Especially this one. Look at that one. Can you believe a person wrote that one? Okay, let's go inside. Whoa, we can get some souvenirs. So dark. Wala. May taas pa oh. Tara, ikutin natin. We're gonna roam around the place. So, bye-bye. See you later. Because I don't want to take a video. You should go here. Okay, bye. I haven't updated you in a while, haven't I? So we're here at Book Street again kasi nagpunta kami ng Russian market. Sa'yo?
Sa'yo?
Wala sa akin? Ay, ay, ay! Wait lang. So after going to the cafe apartment, we walked to the clothing apartment. Wala naman kami nabili. Tapos maglalakaf dapat kami kasi that was in my maps. In my have to go. Pero di kami nakapunta kasi hinabol namin tong Russian market. Tapos ayun, nandito na kami sa baba. Lounging lang for a while. Tapos we're gonna withdraw. And then we're going to Bentan again. Eat. Ay, hindi. Anong oras na ba? 7 na? Thank you.
Kaya gusto ko bilhin yung transformer.
Dalawa.
Kasi 8,000.
Not eat yet pala. Clothes muna dun sa may nagpatahi kasi kami last night. And ng Chinese collar. So, ayun. Yun lang. We're going.
Bye!
Bye!
Wala ba HSBC dun sa harap?
Wala. Ang angas na, oh.
You have
Cafe
to
pala yung
try
warning
kung-
zone. Kung cafe, sige.
Warning zone?
Oo.
Ayun nga kanina ko tinatanong.
Cafe or parang bar. Okay, bye. Ay, ba't naka-video? Hello, say hi.
Hi.
Ang ganda ng top ko, Gagi. Anyways, look. It's our snack. It's our snack. Te, hi ka. Sa salamin. Hi ka sa salamin. Hindi. Sa face mo. Yon. Anyway, look at our stuff. We're gonna fix that tonight. Anyway, yun lang. Ito yung jacket na nabili ko. Sobrang ganda. Wala akong video. Pag uwi na siguro. Anyway, yun lang guys. Love you all. See you later. Hello guys. Ang arte. Good morning everyone. Today is going home day. So we're in the Grab already. Ang angas ng car. And our flight is at... Where's my phone? Wait, let me open it. Our flight is in 3 hours. Ay, hindi kita. Ayan. Departure in 3 hours. Pero like 2 hours lang yun. Dapat. Para we can do some stuff pa. Like eat, ganun. Pero baka coffee lang ganyan. Anyway, we're kinda near. Kasi, near na to, note. We're near na. But, magbababay na rin ako kasi I won't vlog anymore. Pabalik. We're near the airport na. And, thank you for joining me with my trip. My trip. Trip lang. Ito si ate. Say bye. I really enjoyed this trip. And I'm so grateful for my mommy. My mommy! For this, for everything. And sa mga naipon ko. And this jacket. I'm so grateful for this jacket. Ito yung nabili namin. Napatahin namin Chinese collar na top. I think I showed you. Yeah. Okay. Bye-bye. Bye guys. Okay, basta. Gawa na ako ng intro. Gagawa na ako ng outro. Tsaka ayoko na kayong tawagin guys. Paano kung girls kayo, diba? I'm diverse. Diba? Divergent tayo dito. Okay, bye. Ako nga pala to si ano. Ang pangalan nun? Ano pangalan nung BGF ni 4? Hindi. Hindi ko alam. Ang galing may overpass pala. Kaya pala hindi sila natatraffic. Anyway. Uy! Saan tayo dadating? Beatrice. Si Tris. Si Tris. Okay. Shut up na. Okay. Bye! We're very near. Look. We're here. Uy, same lang sa taas. We're here. Bye!